Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Mahagathbandhan of opposition MLAs to corner BJP-led government in assembly session. Budget, coconut, monkey fever, defence expo and ammunition. Babush Monserrat's Congress expulsion was not unanimous. Opposition leader was against expulsion, says Wiswajit Rane. Frontal portion of Mauli temple at Kalsa collapses as Karnataka continues with canal construction. People fear work might devastate temple. 79 ground staff of Jet Airways on an indefinite strike from Saturday, demands salary hike and no harassment. And Gilbert Oliveira's wonder goal lifts Salgokar FC in I-League. The Greens move up to 6th place with victory over Shillong Lajong. Now the news in detail. Congress, independents and unattached MLAs have formed a mega alliance against the BJP for ensuing state legislative assembly sessions starting from Monday. MLAs have alleged that the state is sinking in debt day by day. MLAs have decided to grill the government over coconut tree, monkey fever, defence expo and various alleged scams.
Investment promotion board, there is no regional plan no permissions from any state, from any local body be direct convert kurpa new system government and tayar kela. Munge question on this question I will take the government fully, because tomorrow palya amgele next generation and amke bot dako ba na ki ami git ko tale gaima assembly.
The pit, as far as now the sewage line has been passed, all the lines have been damaged. This is the thing what I have got from the engineers of PWD.
October, November येता म्हटल्यार हांका गरगर लागता. आज PWD च्यो फायली कितल्योश्योच फायली PWD चीफ इंजिनियरा कडेन वयतकूच परत त्यो डिव्हिजनाक येता. ह्यो कित्याक येता? फंड्स ना म्हणून.
तांचे जे स्कॅम्स आसा, वेदर इट इज इफी स्कॅम, लुसोफोनिया स्कॅम नाल्यार बीच क्लिनिंग स्कॅम, हाजेर उत्तर दिवपाची ताणी गरज आसा. बीच क्लिनिंग स्कॅम तांकां आमी पेपर सगळे फायंडिंग्स दिवन टेबलार दिल्या. And if they believe in zero tolerance to corruption, आज खंय तरी मुख्यमंत्र्यान म्हणला की कायदो सगळ्यांक इट्स कॉमन फॉर एवरीबडी. समज कायदो सगळ्यांक समान आसा जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता बीच क्लिनिंग स्कॅम जो आसा हाजेर चवकशी करपाची ताजी जी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आशिल्ली, दे हॅव फेल्ड मिजरेबली इन दिस टायप ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज वीच दे हॅड टू टेक. Jugglery of figures are happening and this jugglery of figures is only made to make the common man feel good. 4 बजेट सेशन्स पळयले जाल्यार एकूय कंटिन्युटी ना आनी हातून फक्त सरकाराचो एक जोक जाला की वीच दे आर ट्रायंग टू प्लेस फिगर्स which maybe they themselves don't know.
We have moved a private member resolution. I have moved myself. And we have moved a comprehensive protection of coconut tree bill as a private member bill, which will come up this time hopefully.
Deen Dayal scheme atta म्हणून 4 वर्ष झाली. Today in the election year, how many things are these people going to bring and how many times these people are going to fool the people? I would just say that Parshikar made a derogatory statement about me taking an injection on a monkey fever. I don't need Parshikar. He has been the most inefficient health minister in the state of Goa. And along with him, Francis D'Souza, he has to be actually sacked as the health minister of the state of Goa. So Francis D'Souza has never taken an audit of Goa Medical College. Let him show the minutes of any audit of Goa Medical College.
Babush Monserrat's expulsion from Congress party was against the wish of opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane, and Wiswajit Rane had even visited their high command in Delhi to save Monserrat's ouster from the party. Wiswajit Rane revealed this to the media. A mega conglomerate of Congress MLAs, independents and unattached Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat has been formed to corner BJP-led government in the assembly session during the budget session commencing from Monday. When media questioned Babush about his dual stand, he could not give a satisfactory reply.
Babush Monserrat's expulsion from Congress party was not unanimous. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane was against expulsion of Babush. MLA Vishwajit Rane has claimed this before media.
I was never ever against Babush, and I had always told the High Command when I went to Delhi that it's a harakiri decision. What you all are doing is wrong, because I know Babush's strength, and whoever has told you this, Babush knows, I know, and even opposition leader was against the decision to expel Babush Monserrat from party. And opposition leader is always supportive. He was also of the opinion in the executive committee that no candidate should be put against Babush Monserrat panel in Panjim, because our opposition was the BJP.
Will you take a lead to get him back in Congress?
I am ready to play a lead. It's ultimately,
I prefer staying as a paying guest outside.
All like-minded opposition MLAs have joined hands against the BJP-led government for the assembly session. Babush Monserrat is also a part of group. When media asked about his dual stand, he fumbled.
So have you aligned with B team of BJP now?
Yes, no,
Now who is the B team of BJP?
You said Congress is B team of BJP.
Where is the Congress?
See now this is basically what we have met here is for a floor arrangement. Floor arrangement, floor management, everything. We have so that is our goal. So rest whatever politics, where politics will take us tomorrow, that we'll see tomorrow.
BJP rules North Goa Zilla Panchayat due to the support from Monserrat's two ZPs. Babush says support for development only, will rethink over support if someone moves no confidence motion.
Let anyone move a no confidence motion.
How are you going to talk?
No, let.
One side you are supporting
See,
BJP.
तू म्हणता बरं गालिया म्हणून गालिया मार बरं.
I am trying to say is my thing is very clear.
MLA Rohan Khaute said that no confidence motion in North Goa Zilla Panchayat will be moved after the assembly session.
नाही आम्ही उलयले आहा म्हाका दिसता असेंब्ली मागीर यू मायट सी समथिंग मूविंग बट वी हॅव स्पोकन ऑन दिस इश्यू एंड आई थिंक वी मायट सी सम लाइट ऑफ द डे विथ थिंग्स मूविंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Karnataka government has shunted tribunal's order and has still continued with the construction work of Kalsa Bandura Canal at Kankumbi. Frontal portion of Goddess Mauli's temple has collapsed as the excavation for Kalsa Bandura project was carried out adjacent to the temple. Karnataka government plans to divert Madai water into Malprabha via Kalsa Bandura Canal. Work is going on in full swing. There is severe threat to the temple too. Tribunal will hear the Madai matter on 27th April.
Look at the horrifying sight. Karnataka government's Kalsa Bandura Canal construction is on in full swing. Work is now carried out very close to the Mauli temple, goddess revered with high esteem by Karnataka, Maharashtra and Goa. Karnataka government has started excavating land very close to the temple. Frontal portion of the temple collapsed on Friday night following this blatant violation of the tribunal's order. People are afraid as Kalsa Bandura Canal construction has posed a serious threat to the temple. Tribunal will hear the Mahadai water dispute matter on 27th April, but Karnataka government is not ready to wait for the verdict.
गेल्या काही दिवसांसावन कर्नाटकान कळसा कालव्याचे काम पुराय करपाचो यत्न चालू दवरलेलो आसा आणि ह्या कामाक लागून सध्या ह्या परिसराची जी अधिष्ठात्री माऊली देवी आसा त्या देवीच्या मंदिराचो सभागृह काल रात्री कोसळून पडलो आणि एकंदर मंदिराचे जे अस्तित्व आसा गर्भगृह आसा किंवा मंदिराचो जो मुख्य मंडप आसा ह्या सगळ्या मंदिराच्या अस्तित्वाक धोको निर्माण जाल्लो आसा. ताका लागून ह्या परिसरातले जे लोक आसा तांच्या भितर भय निर्माण जाल्लो आसा. 27 एप्रिलाक म्हादई पाणी वाटप लवादा समोर ही सुनावणी जावपाची आसा. वारंवार ही सुनावणी जी आसा ती पुढे धुकल्ली वयता आणि त्याच गजालीचो गैरफायदो घेवन कर्नाटकान हे जे कालव्याचे काम जे आसा ते पुराय केल्ले आसा. कर्नाटकान हाच्या पयलीं जो कृत्रिमरित्या निर्माण जाल्लो जलाशय आसा तो पुराय तरेन माती घालून भरून काडलेलो आसा आणि एकंदर ह्या कामाक लागून आता हो जो प्रश्न आसा हो प्रश्न जेन्ना लवादा समोर सुनावणेक येतलो तो मेरेन कर्नाटकाचे हे जे काम आसा हे पुराय जातले आणि एकंदर मागीर ह्या प्रश्नांक कांयच अर्थ उरचो ना. गोंय सरकारान जर आपली भूमिका आणखी प्रखर करूंक ना जाल्यार निश्चितपणान गोंयांक ह्या प्रश्नाचेर अपयश येवपाची शक्यता आसा.
Karnataka has dishonored tribunal's order and has continued with the construction of Kalsa-Bandura Canal constructed for diverting Mahadai River into Malaprabha Basin. Mauli Temple's frontal portion collapsed on Friday night. People feel Kalsa-Bandura Canal may spell doom for the whole temple. Tribunal will hear the Mahadai water dispute on 27th April. Uday Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.